Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing this Glueless Deep Wave Lace Closure Wig from Tinashe Hair. So I actually installed this wig two ways. I installed it glueless and I installed it with glue as well. So today you guys are going to be seeing how I installed it with glue. For this one, I did go ahead and start by trying to see if I wanted to wear a middle part with this wig, and honestly you guys, I wasn't able to do it. Your girl had to do a side part. I just feel like it gives more, it gives more, and I don't know, like I wanted it to look as natural as possible, like kind of like I had big curly hair as if it was my natural hair, and I didn't feel like I would achieve that if I did a side part, a middle part, sorry. So you guys already saw that I went ahead and measured how big this wig cap is, not wig cap, but this wig lace. It is 5 by 5 inches across, 5 inches wide or whatnot, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a few layers of glue to my hair. So what I did was I installed it with glue and then I removed it and installed it with Gorilla Snot. So far that I've been wearing this wig, I've been continuously using this wig as a glueless wig. I kind of like molded it down to kind of like get a good foundation going or whatnot, but you definitely can wear this wig glueless as well because it is a closure wig. As you guys can see, I'm going to go ahead and take out the baby hairs and just kind of like put my band on my hair to kind of wrap it, style it, and then I'm going to take it off to do my baby hair. So here it is. I'm going ahead and making my part for my install. You guys can either wear this hair in a flip over type part, or you can do it with a defined part how I did. I'm going in and I'm plucking this wig pretty good. You want it to look as natural as possible when you're wearing this wig. As y'all can see, it's starting to look pretty natural, and you're just going to go in until it's done to your preference. So now I'm kind of going in and I'm molding and shaping the hair how I want to. I decided to kind of do like a little bang look. As you guys can see, this is a closure. I'm not very used to closure, so it was a little tricky for me when it came down to doing my baby hairs and everything like that. But I mean, I personally think it still turned out pretty good. There are some things that I would tweak next time with doing a closure wig. It's been, I would say, probably about like 7 years since the last time I've worn a closure. So this is very new for me, but you know, becoming a mom and you know, not having as much time as you usually would, these things are very, very convenient for you because you can just pop them on, add a little bit of Gorilla Snot, and you can go about your day. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the baby hairs and then style them. I love this ISO Plus 24-hour spray. It is literally the best spray besides, I would say, probably even hairspray that I use to kind of like keep my baby hairs intact. And when you're doing this part, you definitely want to take your time. As I mentioned, it was a little hard for me to do these baby hairs because, you know, I'm not used to doing baby hairs on a closure, so it was a little harder, but now I know what I would do better next time. You really want to do your baby hairs to frame your face. I just kind of went in and just did what I thought looked pretty decent. Like I said, this was a lot different for me, but we got it done. Now to the fun part of us about to finish styling this hair. I went ahead and ran my fingers through it to kind of fluff it up. I kind of wanted it to be big and bouncy. The curls are naturally beautiful in the way that they are right now. I know that even when I decide to wet this wig, it's going to be even more beautiful. So this is just definitely my go-to wig. I can pop it on and in 5 minutes I'm ready to go. And this is the clip where I decided to add a few bang pieces. So beautiful. It turned out so beautiful. I love it so much. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know that, hey, this is a pretty good video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on TikTok at Cra'Deja, at Hair by Cra'Deja. I love you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.